Hi, my name's Lisa. Welcome to the Polishcious Nail family. If you're not new and you're returning, thank you so much for sticking around and supporting. I have April's Manny and Me unboxing to do. It's late in the month and I just had, I just forgot that I had it. But that's okay. It's still April. We're going to open it today. And then I have some nails that I did to play with. So I'll show you those first here. So we have this cat eye from Betsy, which is NCO5. Then we have this cat eye from Betsy as well. Unicorn cat eye. What is that? UCO4. Then this green reflective, it's very cool, is the green reflective and is called Reflective Neon Gel RN03. And then that blue, of course, is Madam Glam. It's Pure Cloud. Thought it was perfect because I do know what's inside the box. I've seen it previous. Then this is actually black stamping polish with Betsy's Moonlight Gel ML07 on top, which turns purple, but it looks like that. They have some fantastic Moonlight, different kind of gels, but it's a cloud theme, sky theme, so I thought, you know, let's just do some random different colors. So let's open the box and then we'll get to trying stuff out. Okay, a little sneaky peek to get the party going. Not too much. Okay, let me move this over here. Oh, like so. Okay, so we have the... Okay, so this is the Manny and Me. Stupid light. It's clouds. Let's read the card. It says, soar through the skies of endless imagination with April's Over the Clouds Manny X Me collection. This month's collection transforms your self-care routine with a magical journey through fluffy clouds, bursting rainbows, and some quiet animal friends. I hope I said that right. MXM 125 brings a dash of magic to any manicure with the cutest full nail and accent designs. Gaze at the clouds and imagine cuddly bunnies, playful puppies, and a world where every stamp brings smiles to every face. Next, MXM 126 radiates all the feel-good vibes. Chase rainbows and live life in full bright color. This plate just might be the key to your best manicure yet, with sunny rainbows, layerable shapes, and starry accents. Stamp on a ray of sunshine or a touch of night's magic. So it does say we get 2 early access polishes, Raindrop, which is B5-110, a dusty pale blue stamping polish with a classic cream finish, and Cloudy B511, a luminous white stamping polish with pearl finish. April's bonus is both a pretty and practical. Boost the happy vibes in your nail room with new rainbow heart-shaped container. This charming and functional piece is crafted with acetone-resistant rainbow glass and comes with a beautiful faceted lid. Store nail charms, mix polishes, or store acetone-soaked cotton pads to make cleanup easy and beautiful. Well, that's a neat idea. So the early access polishes are only available in the Manny X Me box, and the plates are only ever available. Yeah, cool. Okay, and then Cotton Candy Sky Manicure. Now, what's it say? Free fall into a cotton candy sky where soft pinks and oranges mimic sunset clouds, invoking sweet nostalgia for carefree days under pastel heavens with Manny X Me. I did read this. Now, I'm still trying to find my March unboxing for this box. I filmed it, I put everything away, I even started to design, and I'm trying to find it. I don't know what I did with it. It's not on my phone, it's not deleted, so I'm working on it. But I had some issues with that design because I thought, let's do what this card says. And it was similar to this, using other normal polishes from Maniology that I didn't have. So I tried to wing it. Didn't work. Then I tried to wing it with gel polish. That didn't work either. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't know if I'm going to try this again until I practice, but it says on a makeup wedge, randomly apply pink, orange, and lavender polishes. Overlap the polishes for a seamless blend. Stipple the makeup wedge onto the surface of the nail. Nuh-uh. See, and it says apply base and white. I did that, and it didn't work for me. It's like, oh, it didn't work for me at all. I don't know if it's just me. I've never really used a makeup wedge before. It's new, but we will see. And then you use this cloud design from MXM125. We're going to use it. I decided to use like cat eyes and like sparkly gels to try instead because I don't trust myself. And this is absolutely probably just an operational issue. I'm sure other people can do this and it works great for them. I don't know. I'm special, I think, I guess. I'm rambling, but I'm not sure. Okay, so let's take this. Okay. We're just going to stick this over there and we're going to put this on top of the box and we're going to start with the little gift. Oh, cool. So I do have a few similar to this that I use for acrylic. So I use it for the acrylic, the monomer. And it doesn't do anything to it either. Look how cute it is. Oh, it's a heart. Oh, look. Oh, look at the blue and the pink and then, oh, it's so adorable. But from reading that card, a couple cotton balls soaked in acetone might just go in there all handy like. And then, ooh, I got a sticker this time. Last month I didn't. I was asking people like, is it normal? This one says live, stamp, love. Oh, kind of matches my mom's saying that I have on my arm there. It's her writing that I got tattooed there. Oh, I love it. Thank you. And then let's do the polishes. Okay. So, ooh, which one's first? This one. Ooh, that looks like it's coming up. Let's press it back on. Okay, so this is Raindrop. We're gonna give it a little shake. So this is the blue gray. Oh, it's been sitting flat. I learned in school that this is better than this, but I do both. But okay, let's see. Oh, that's like, I have gel polishes this color that's like perfect fall, spring, rain. Yeah, look at that. I have to remember that this will come off. Oh, it's beautiful. I cannot wait to use it and swatch it. So this Raindrop, perfect color. And then this is Cloudy. So this is a pearl. I'm just gonna. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, please don't fall. Let me show everybody before you drip. Oh, that's beautiful. I wonder if you can see like the shifting of it. Ooh, oh, that's cool. I bet you can layer these two, I bet. Oh, that'd be pretty. That is very cool. Okay. Last but not least, let's get to the exclusive stamping plate. So we will go with 125 first. Look how cute it is. So you got clouds, like the opening, like when you look up and like the rain is descending or going away and blue skies coming. And you've got these, more clouds, some shapes. This is what is used. Upside down, I think, on that card we'll try. Then you've got these here, and look at the little shapes. You got a flower, and a bear, and a butterfly, and a kitty cat. A star, and a bunny, and hearts, and a puppy dog. Look at it, it's so cute. I love it. My kids and I always are looking at the sky, trying to figure out what shapes they are. So this really, when I saw this, it hit close to home. It's so cute. Okay. I'm excited. All right, and this is 126. So this has like, that is really cool. It's like a rainbow straight up. You got a rainbow with the star at the end. You've got a full rainbow with clouds. Then you've got butterfly, flower, heart, star, cloud, and those are the layerable ones I think it mentioned. And do different colors maybe. put it in the middle, and then you've got this. That's like when you look at the, reminds me when you look at the light and it's like the rays of the sun. You could definitely do different colors there. Looking forward to this one. And then you have Somewhere Over the Rainbow. It says, after every storm, there's a rainbow. I watch a show on Netflix called Sweet Magnolias, and there was one quote that I heard on there. Two the characters were talking, and one was having a bad time, and she looked at the other one and said, do the storms ever end? And her friend said, no, but neither do the rainbows. And it's true, and this is perfect. Okay, so if you've been here that long, I appreciate you. Thank you. We are going to get into the designs, watch me work type of stuff, and just play. Let me clean all this up and get ready, and I'll be right back. All right, here we go. So we are starting off with the pearl shade, and we are going to use these clouds and put them on top of the, look how perfect that came out. Oh, that color is so neat. Okay, so it's going to go on this purple. So this is the Vetsy on top of a black stamping polish. I'm just lining it up, making sure it stays. Now it's funny because like when I was looking through, because I look on top when I'm filming, and it looked very different than it does on camera. I'm glad that you can see it. Here I am just doing a little bit more because I just have to put some on the bottom. The nail I was using was a little long. Just checking, cleaning some stuff off here quickly. And then I'm just adjusting what part's going to go on there. Stamping is really fun. I'm getting into it. I like it. Sides. And there we go. And then next we are going to take the gray blue raindrop. Where are they? I believe it's raindrop. Yes. Let me double check here. We're going to put that on, yeah, raindrop. We're going to put that on this blue nail. So this is the Madame Glam Pure Cloud. I remembered. So we're just going to stick these on like that. I think it looks so cute. And of course, when I stamped it, I thought, oh my goodness, you could just put a few clouds and then do something at below, you know. Always got something different. Here we are going to take the pearl shade onto this beautiful turquoise nail. And this is the, I call it like the sunray design. But as you can tell, at the top it's missing some. So I take it again after cleaning it off to add more to the top, except here in a minute you will see that it overlaps, which I wasn't trying to do, but it happened. Didn't want to redo it because the bottom part, like the first part I stamped, was so perfect. And I thought, you know what? This is how we learn. There it is. You can see the overlap there. But I still think it's pretty cool. And then next we have, oh, this is my favorite nail. So this is the cat eye. And this is the saying that's going on the bottom of this nail. I am going to do this design shorter. I'm going to figure it out. And then I take the, how do I explain this? It's like after the storm and the sun comes out and the clouds are parting. That's what this is. So then I check it, move stuff. Look, get it on there perfect above the wording. And then I thought, you know what? I'm going to put a bit of a rainbow, which is what this says. Here, let me grab it. Yeah, after every storm, there's a rainbow. So I thought it was perfect to use the parting and add a little, like, look at that. I think it's gorgeous. Put a little rainbow there. Exactly how it describes it. This is last but not least. I'm pretty sure this is the last one that I do. This is the Vetsy Green Reflective Gel. And here we are going to take the clouds. Stupid recording box. And we're going to put some on the bottom, and then the rest on the top. I thought it looked really cool. And that raindrop color with the reflective looks great. And then here I take the pearl color to go on top, because I thought it would kind of give them life, if you will. But I liked how I used different color backgrounds. I like doing that when I open these boxes, just so you can see. Oh no, this is the cat. Oh, this is the cat. Look, isn't that cute? It's a little kitty cat. Oh, I think it's cute. Looks perfect, exactly how I planned it. But like I was saying, oh no, this is the part where I take the pearl color to go over top of just the clouds. But it kind of lets people see the different, I don't know, I hope it creates creativity in people. They see it and think, oh, I never thought to use that for that. You know, that's what I'm thinking. Hope I always inspire somebody to try something new or old. Yeah, here we go. See, look, I thought I'd like give it a little bit of luck. We're done here. So let's go over. So we'll start here. I almost took this off and redid it, but I thought, you know what? No, I'll leave it because it's got it has that very cool pearl finish. And it looks okay, I think. And then here's that pearl again. Oh, this stupid light. Can you see? There we go. You can kind of see the clouds there. It looks better in person. And then here's the blue with the raindrop, and then my sun gave me the idea for that. And then this green one, wish the light would go away. They're glossy. So I did do the raindrop over top of those clouds here. And then the pearl. I like it. I think it looks really cool. And then the cat, of course. The cat cloud there. And then last but not least, I'm really proud of this nail. I'm going to try it on non-glitter or non-cat eye. But it says after every storm there is a rainbow. So I used the open cloud design and put a little bit of a rainbow there. There we go. Can you see that? I wonder if can I make it here? Well, so even turning it down, it just... Alright, I turn it off. Oh my goodness, my lighting in here is not very good, but let's try. Can you see it at least? There we go. A little bit. Let's move that. There we go. If you have any lighting ideas on how you do, or just yeah, having a ring light makes it difficult. I gotta figure out how to do different kind of. But I think it looks cute. Look at, you can see the rainbow there. This one, I had fun using it. All right, well, thank you very much for watching my video and for fiddling with me here. I hope I inspired somebody to do something or try something new. And I appreciate you all. Hit that like and subscribe button. Join the Polishcious Nail family. We're growing. We're on our way to 200. Yes. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. See you in my next video. Bye.